Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the page break preview in your Microsoft Excel. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. So open your Microsoft Excel. So the use of page break is that this view shows you where Excel will break your worksheet for printing. Again, the use of the this one. So we just need to look at the ribbon and click on view. And here we can find the page break preview. So the use of page break preview is to show where Excel will break your worksheet for printing. Okay. So in order to use it. So as you can see where the page breaks will appear when your document is printed. You can simply click on it to use it. And there you go. So we have two pages for printing. You can also adjust this one. You can drag this cursor to add more pages. Okay, so you have page 3 and page 4. Then you can also drag this down. You can increase the table from here. So it is just a view for you on how your worksheet would look like if your worksheet will be printed. So that's just it. Okay, you can add from here. Okay, so if you want to do it like that or customize or manually do your table from here, you can simply do that. So the page break preview, that's just a view or a preview as to how would your worksheet would look like if this will be printed. Okay, so that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.